Alright, I'm back with a massive hive. This is the house though. It's an abandoned house in central Austin. Probably, even its condition, worth somewhere between $500,000 to $800,000. And they're just letting it sit here and rot. So there's got to be some interesting family politics going on here. Now this is the Beehive. I left it here overnight. You can see the bees survived the night rather well. And I put some lemongrass oil inside the bottom of that small nuke, and we've got lots of activity around it. So it's nice to see lemongrass oil works. Now here's the hive itself. You can tell that I've cut back about 4 sheets of honeycomb. And because they got rather nasty last night, I'm going to smoke them a little bit. I got almost all my stings in the last 30 minutes. So I want these guys smoked well. Alright, let me shut you down. Alright, I just want to show you vacuuming up some bees. Alright, I put a lot of the scrap comb over here, getting a lot of flyers. I'm not too sure if that was smart. I maybe should have put them in a bag. I did want to show you the brood nest. Alright, the bastard goes all the way. It's a 2-foot tall brood nest, and it's been several sheets of it. And then there's more honeycomb I got to cut out. But this is getting to be down to the last half the hive. I'm happy. It's also gotten up to 95 degrees, and I'm sweating like a pig. Okay, we'll cut away more. I got a lot of flyers, don't know why. Lots of brood I gotta cut back. It's getting smaller. I feel a lot better about it. And there's the top bar. I've only got about 3 or 4 frames in there. Here's my cutting board. These are all the small pieces of brood that just don't fit nicely. Alright, we're back. The hive substantially cut down. I'm still pulling honey out of it. And I've got 12 bars filled up with brood. And I do like these catching frames I built. These work quite nicely. Makes life much easier. And I pulled 2 frames of drone comb out, but of course I tossed it to the side, didn't want that. I got a couple more stings, but so far it's good. I think I vacuumed up most of the hive. I'm still worried the hive is going to die of overpopulation and or heat in here. Here's some of the guys trying to get out, crawling up. Anyway, that's it. Okay. It looks like I am down to the last 2 sheets of this monstrosity. And my BVAC is slowly dropping its suction, which means I must be quite at capacity. So I am going to probably finish this up within an hour. I am seeing lots of brood and lots of little bugs, little grubs, but I have not seen eggs. I think it's because the comb is so black it's hard to see in there. I definitely want to make 2 hives out of this if I can, but hell, it's been fun no matter what. And this is the 4th 5-gallon bucket I have pulled of honeycomb out of it. And if I go by estimates of porosity of about 75%, maybe 60%, I'm going to probably be getting 3 gallons per bucket. So that would be a total of 12 gallons of honey out of this SOB. That's a lot of honey. Anyway, the sun's coming. I'm just losing shade, so I've got maybe an hour before it gets up to 103. Welcome to Texas, the only state in the union where our roads melt. I think this is kind of a neat shot. This is drone comb I'm not going to save. I just put it off the side. And I want you guys to see, since it's in full sun, how drones fight to get out of their cells. He's making headway.